How to share a tweet on Twitter to Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a tweet on Twitter to Messenger easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter. Now this is the home page. Choose the tweet or the post that you want to share. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. It's Champions League tweet. Click here and now search, swipe right until you find Facebook Messenger icon, and here is it right here. Now all what you have to do is click on it and it will take you directly to Facebook Messenger. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.